look, this hill kind of, if I'm the other side, this hill works quite well.
Yeah, but now we're the wrong side because it's like hand
Oh yeah, good point.
We've got to be this way around.
So now you're even taller than me and I'm falling down the hill.
I'll just have my head cut off.
Yeah, good point. Right. Hey everyone, we're at Beaulieu for the Land Rover Show, so come along with us. Oh yeah, because I'm kind of short. Stop talking. Right, that was Simply Land Rover Show at Beaulieu.
2023, because we'll end up coming back here 2024,
Probably.
2025, etc, etc.
Probably. So yeah, not sure what to say right now, but
thank you very much for watching.
Hopefully you enjoyed.
Yep. Instagram.
Like the video, and comments are always appreciated.
And likes.
And likes definitely for sure.
Yeah.
And Instagram today is going to be on Scott's face, right on his face, just
right on
there.
my face, all over my butt race.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching, much appreciated.
And see you in the next video.
See you in the next video. Now for the 3-hour drive home.
Yes,
Woo!
goodbye.